I'm literally about to call an AI agent that I created for an air conditioning and heating company that's about to replace 5 receptionists. So here we go. I'm literally about to call it right now.
Hello, thank you for calling Cool Breeze Heating and Air. This is Cody on a recorded line. With whom do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Hey, Cody, my name is Francisco. How are you today?
Hey, Francisco, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. May I have a good callback number in case we get disconnected?
Yeah, my phone number is 407-243-5827.
Appreciate it. And by the way, a few people have told me that the audio is a bit lagging today. So if I cut you off or if there's like a bit of a delay, I apologize for that in advance. But yeah, anyway, I'm curious, were you calling about our $19 Summer Start promotion that's available till this Friday?
Yeah, actually, I saw that on your website, and I was just curious what was included and kind of how it works.
Awesome. So the Summer Start promotion checkup includes a thorough inspection of your heating and cooling systems as well as filter replacement if needed. It's a great way to ensure that your systems are running efficiently and top catch any potential issues early on. Plus, it's only currently $19 until Friday. How does that sound to you?
That actually sounds pretty good.
Great to hear that you're interested. First off, what type of heating and cooling system do you currently have?
Actually, so I actually have a unique scenario. I have a unit for the top floor and a unit for the bottom floor. So they're both on the first floor, but they run independently from each other.
Got it. Thanks for sharing that with me. We can definitely help you out with that setup. So with this promotion, it would cover one unit. For 2 units like you have with this promotion, you're looking at $29 on the Summer Start offer. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that actually isn't bad. $29, that's a pretty good deal.
Awesome. Glad to hear you think it's a good deal. So did you have any other questions, or can I go ahead and schedule your Summer Start checkup for you?
Yeah, I'm actually wondering, where are your technicians located?
Our main office is located in Orlando, Florida, but we provide services to customers in various areas. We have a team of technicians that can come to your location for the Season Start checkup. So would you like to go ahead and schedule your Summer Start checkup now?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm down.
Great. I can get you scheduled as soon as tomorrow or the next day. Which day works better for you?
Tomorrow I'm a little tight. I'm pretty busy tomorrow, but the next day should work. I'm pretty available the next day.
Great. We have Wednesday, May 22nd at 8:30 a.m. Eastern and 11 a.m. Eastern available. Which one of those times works better for you?
8:30 a.m. would work.
Perfect. We'll get you scheduled for Wednesday, May 22nd at 8:30 a.m. Eastern for your Summer Start checkup. Our technicians will be there to make sure everything is running smoothly. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to let me know.
Awesome. Appreciate you.
You're welcome, Francisco. We're here to help. Have a great day.
Appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day. So that AI right there that you just heard is going to be helping a business owner that owns a air conditioning company handle the inbound calls coming in. And so what that's allowing him to do is it's allowing him to work on his business while the AI handles the customer inquiries and people coming in and asking questions. And that's going to allow him to be 10 times more productive and also allow him to guarantee that no person falls through the cracks and calls his competitors. So this is huge. If you're wanting to learn how we do this, comment down AI down below and I'll send you a link to a free group that shows you how.